right, so what are you hoping to spend on this project?
So we have about $150,000 to spend on this remodel.
Okay, so what do you like about the house? What are you hoping to change?
For the outside, really, I just think it's kind of ugly.
There you go. I think we need to open up this front porch and create a wraparound porch with a new roof line, just to give it a little more charm. I'm envisioning a traditional farmhouse meets 21st century look.
So here is our home.
Okay.
One of the cool things about our house is that most of the rooms have 10-foot ceilings above these.
Oh,
wow.
I
Yeah.
was gonna say, yeah.
It's only 8 now.
Yeah, my grandfather lowered them maybe 50 years ago.
Okay, entryways are so important to a home because they give that first impression. So I think we should change out the front door, paint, lift up the ceiling, and then obviously keep this flooring and create a better entryway for y'all.
Correct.
Okay.
Yes. So this is the bedroom that we have remodeled. Doug made this bed.
Oh, cool.
Oh, wow, this is cool.
So
You go into the bathroom, you'll notice it's kind of stuck in the 90s.
I take a bath every single night is like my thing that I do.
Okay.
That is not the most ideal bathtub.
Right. Do you need 2 sinks?
No, we're actually fine with one.
We need to add new flooring, add a bigger window, cabinets, new countertops, new paint, new lighting, and then finish it off with a beautiful tub.
Sounds amazing.
Perfect.
Awesome.
All right, let's head to the living room.
All right.
This is the biggest room in the house.
Okay.
Our kids are homeschooled, so our living room kind of functions as a living area and a homeschool area.
I want to make this space more functional for y'all. We're going to take the ceilings back up to the original height, keep the floors, we'll paint, and then I want to create a custom homeschool area for your girls. I feel like what would be helpful for me as a mom is a space that you have everything, but it can also be concealed when you have people over. And it also would help break up your roles.
100% agree.
Because that's a lot
Definitely.
to be mom and teacher all the time. So I
Yeah.
need to be able to give you that definition in the space. Is this the bathroom the kids
It's the
use?
girls,
Okay.
yes,
Yeah,
yes.
so it will have to be kid-friendly.
Yeah, so essentially the plan is new everything. New tile, new vanity, new sink, new shower, new lighting, but we'll keep your girls in mind, and also just a fun space for your guests to use as well.
The kitchen.
This is where I spend a lot of my time because I cook
Right.
3 meals a day.
I think we need to just completely rearrange the layout in here. New flooring, new cabinetry, new countertops, new lighting. And I think, like Dave said, we open that wall up going into the living room so those spaces flow better. I think that's gonna really help as well.
Now this is a
Wow,
backyard.
this is amazing. So I think out here, we will give you some beautiful French doors going right from your kitchen to a beautiful screened-in porch where we'll give you cozy space to sit and hang out, but then also a dining space as well.
Oh, that sounds amazing.
Bye, we'll see you soon. There's a lot of memories tied into this home. So now it's our turn to come in, take their dreams and
Make them a reality.
oh, bam.
Look at that. Got an old exterior wall. Look at the groove on that. I've never seen siding like that. Tug and groove all the way up. I know Jenny's gonna love that.
Hello.
Hey, what's going on?
Hey. You guys got a lot done already.
So we have good news and bad news.
Always.
I'm just giving it to her, Joe. Just gonna get it out of the way.
Good.
So the good, ceilings go up to 10 feet.
Okay.
Good.
Good.
Here's the bad. There used to be a wall here, so there might be a beam there, so we may have a beam in the middle of the room.
Well, you just said you don't know. I'm thinking positively that it'll be fine.
Whatever you say.
We're wrapping up demo inside the Brewer house. We're getting rid of the 1950s shower in the girls' bathroom. We're opening up the wall between the kitchen and the living room. And we're finishing up raising the ceiling height to 10 feet, which will make this house feel open and spacious throughout.
Brittany and Doug don't love the front of their house, so we're gonna rip off that front porch so we can build a bigger covered porch that will wrap around the side of the house. That was perfect.
We have about 2 weeks left before we have to have this house ready for the Brewers.
Does that one go right here?
The roof is going up on the new screened-in porch. The tile's going up in the main bathroom, and the slate tile is being installed on the floor in the kitchen. And the custom homeschool area that Dave built for Doug and Brittany's daughters is being installed in the living room. And the galley kitchen is really coming together with the cabinets, the new honed granite countertops, and the new French doors are being installed, which will give them access to their screened-in porch. This kitchen looks amazing.
Doesn't it?
Look at this. I mean, it just goes right out. Like, this is phenomenal. Looks so good.
It's wide open.
Wide open. I love that you can see the little peep of the siding. Once we paint it, it's gonna look so cool. We're finishing up the build on the Brewer house. Crews are adding stain to the back porch, and of course screens to keep the bugs out. In the main bathroom, we're bringing in a classic soaking tub for Brittany to enjoy. In the girls' bathroom, the new sink is a perfect fit. And the custom wallpaper is being installed that will give the space a fun, unexpected twist. And outside, new landscaping is going to bring this home's restored charm full circle.
When Doug and Brittany walk into this home, I just hope that the first thing that they feel is that we've really honored the previous generations of brewers that occupied this house.
I want them to still recognize it, but it's like, it's gotten a facelift, you know?
Hey, was that them?
Oh,
Come
okay.
on.
Whoa.
Oh, she's gonna make me cry. I didn't even see the inside of their house.
Whoa. Are we at the right place?
Yeah, I know. I was like, don't drive back.
Like, for real.
Oh my gosh.
I was wondering just how big the porch would be, and
Yeah?
it's huge.
Oh my gosh.
Whoa. We can see the whole yard.
This is awesome. I'm just glad that our house is just not ugly anymore.
Yeah. We have one of the ugliest houses on the street. And now it's probably the prettiest. I don't know.
Oh my God.
Whoa! Look at the ceiling.
Wow. Oh my gosh, Doug, look. Oh my gosh. This is nuts.
These are so nice.
Glad.
But most importantly, we needed your door.
Yes, your beautiful door. We found this in the shed, and we knew we had to find a place for it.
The door looks so good in here.
Yeah.
I'm so glad you put it in here because, like, it was meant to go with the bed.
Holy crap. Look at this. This is like my dream bathtub.
I know. I want that bathtub. It's awesome.
It looks
lots of
massive.
storage.
Just one sink was really all you needed. And taking out that other sink, it's amazing the space that you create.
And the window, it's like, oh, this is awesome. Oh my gosh, yes. Oh my gosh.
Whoa!
Oh my God! This is not my house!
Your ceilings,
Higher.
how much higher they are.
It just feels so much more expansive.
There's so much space to sit so we can like actually entertain in this space.
This is so cool. You move the ceiling.
Oh my gosh!
It's so big.
It's massive! Oh my gosh! I love it! I love it, I love it, I love it.
It's the original outside siding. This we found this, we uncovered it, and we left it. Yes.
Oh my gosh, I love it!
It's huge.
Oh my goodness, I'm not gonna get eaten up by mosquitoes.
I know. This makes our house twice as big.
It's just so much better than we imagined it. And like, I feel like we're just so insanely blessed, and I just cannot wait to be able to host people here. I'm in shock of our house. It is just stunning. It feels like we're almost getting to pass the baton. It was passed to us, and now we're gonna be able to do that for our kids.